Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's special is delicious Kerala traditional recipe, that's Beetroot Pachadi, which is made with a combination of beetroot, curd and coconut. So without any further ado, let's begin. First, let's boil the beetroot. For this, I have taken two medium-sized beetroot which I have grated like so. It weighs around 250 grams and in cup measurement it comes around 3 cups. Add this in a kadai. Add 1 cup of water and little salt and bring this to a boil. Cook till the beetroot turns soft and tender. This will take around 7 to 10 minutes on low flame. Meanwhile, let's prepare a coconut mix. In a mixture jar, add 1 cup of grated coconut, 2 shallots, these are optional, 1 inch ginger, 2 to 3 green chillies as per your spice preference, few curry leaves, half teaspoon of mustard seeds and very little water, and grind this into a fine paste like so. Now keep this aside. The beetroots are cooked very well. It has become soft and tender. At this stage, we will add the prepared coconut mix. Cook the coconut very well till the raw smells of the coconut goes off. This will take around 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. Coconut is cooked very well. At this stage, we will add the curd. Here I have taken 2 cups of beaten curd. Once the curd is added, simmer it only for 2 to 3 minutes and then switch off the flame. Doing so will prevent the curd from curdling, and always remember to add room temperature curd. Add a pinch of sugar, which is optional, but this helps to balance out the flavors. And that's it, our base is ready. Let's move towards making the tadka. For the tadka, heat a tadka pan, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. In goes 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once it starts to splutter, add a pinch of fenugreek seeds. Then goes 10 to 12 thinly sliced shallots. These are optional, but I prefer adding it as it enhances the overall taste. Once it starts to turn golden brown, add few curry leaves. Towards the end, add 2 to 3 dry red chillies. Saute it for few seconds and a tempering is done. Add the tempering to the beetroot and gently give it a mix and immediately close the lid and let it rest for 10-15 minutes. After 15 minutes, a delicious beetroot pachadi is ready to be served. Let's do the plating. This tastes delicious with Kerala rice as a side dish. This can also be accompanied with chapati. This tastes great. Hope so you have liked the recipe. Definitely try this one. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.